All right, welcome back, guys. Java Collects. Um, Today we're doing a big break. It is release day of 2025 Donruss football. We've got the hobby box here. Comes with 10 cards per pack, 18 packs. So what is that? 180 cards? Yeah. It's a 400 card set, I believe. I was going to release another video, but I wanted to wait for this one because it's so big. Probably the biggest I will ever rip. I mean, I say that now, but it's definitely the biggest I've ever ripped personally. Price-wise, it came in at like $480. It's a big rip, very big. And then I also have some pre-recorded videos, probably 2 or 3 more, but I was an idiot and I filmed them in portrait mode. So I don't know if I'm going to upload those or not. Either I upload them and it is what it is, or I just scrap the videos completely. But that was another probably $600 in total of rips. So maybe I will post them. Who knows? But let's get to opening this pack here. Like I said, 2025 Donruss football hobby box. Today is release day. There it is. Patty Mahomes up front. Let's pray that we hit something good. I am not on the lucky side of opening boxes, but today's the day, you know? One auto and mem card on average. Oh, yes. Get all these here. This is going to be an epic rip. I'm feeling it. I don't even know why I'm going to do that there. Yeah, 400 card set, 300 base, and 100 rated rookies. Let's hope we get that ultra rare downtown insert. That would be amazing. So here we go. Let's go with the left side first. Pack number 1. Tyler Algier. Terrell Owens. Jawan Jennings on the press proof. We'll do that there. The first rated rookie, we've got Colston Loveland. Not a bad design we've got. Not a bad design at all. Garrett Wilson. Quentin Johnston. Elite Series rookies, we've got Jalen Noel. Kind of a nice little insert there. Bomb Squad Jober. Let me look. It's release day. I haven't even done any research on this. I'm not going to lie to you. I didn't even know it was release day today. So let's see if this is case hit. I doubt it. Press proof. There's so much here. Can I read? They have it on the box, hopefully. Yes, sweet. Sorry, guys. What was that? Elite Series rookies. The Elite Series rookies has not hit. Rip. Oh well. Not a bad one. Not a bad one at all. And then the Bomb Squad. Where's the Bomb Squad layup at? I'm sorry, guys. I'll probably be cutting this out. We'll see. Jersey, Gridiron. Bomb Squad. Bomb Squad Hollow. Bomb Squad Autos. Joe Burr on the Bomb Squad. Rip to his season. As a Bengals fan, it hurts. I was at that game. Really sucks. Really sucks what we just went through. Luke Musgrave. Kendre Miller. And that's it for pack 1. Pack number 2. We got a thick pack here. Oh, yeah. Geno Stone. Alvin Kamara. Rated rookie, TJ Sanders. Luke Kuechly. We got Darius Davis. And then the swatch out of 425, 001. First on the line out of 425, All-Pro King, Creed Humphrey. Not the guy we want at all, but first off the line. All right. And then we've got Mike Evans with the Gridiron Kings. I've always liked those. Always liked those. This year it's all right. Dylan Gabriel on the rated rookie throwback. He might turn out to be something. Patty Mahomes. Kansas City 126, 2025. Chief versus the Bills. 32-29, road to the Super Bowl. AFC champs. And then we've got Cooper Kupp. There's that Patty Mahomes. Nice little card there. All right, there we go. Jaden Reed. Trey Tucker. Tyler Boyd on the press proof. Carson Schlesinger on the rated rookie. Caden Ellis. TJ Watt. Travis Hunter on the rookies parallel. That's an not numbered, but man, that looks good. AJ Brown. Champ is here. Jawan Jennings. Jalen Waddle. I'm going to sleeve some of these up real quick. All right, I'm back. Let's rip open, what is this? Pack number 4? Yes, it is. All right, we've got some color in here. Kurt Warner, right up front. Tony Dorsett. Drake London on a die cut, press proof die cut out of 99. That is a card that we would not mind having. Wow, that's a funky card, man. That's going to be hard to grade with all the jagged edges. That's weird. 33 out of 99. It's an interesting card right there. But I like it. I'll take that. Oh gosh. I hate it. There we go. Die cuts are so annoying. Sleeve up. Rated rookie, Jaden Higgins. Golden Tate. Kyle Pitts. Brian Thomas Jr. on the Elite Series. Lamar Jackson with the Bomb Squad. Eli Manning. And Isaiah Pacheco. Sleeve up Lamar. Sleeve up BTJ. We'll even toss him over here just because everybody loves Lamar. Stack number 5. Jalen Hurts. J.J. McCarthy. Isaiah Likely on the press proof. Josiah Stewart on the rated rookie. Quincy Williams. L'Jarius Sneed. Fred Warner on the Action All Pros. Wow. It's a good looking card. Oh, come on, upside down. And then right behind it, we have a Legends series of Jim Hart. Again, another good looking card. They did good on this artwork for this set. I'm a fan. Nick Chubb. Still in a Brownie uniform. Oops. And Boomer Eisen. Kid Reporter. Last pack of the far left row. David Njoku right up top. Getting beat out by Fannin right now. Darnell Mooney. Savion Williams with the rated rookie. Levante David. Daniel Hunter, sorry. Dominators, Xavier Worthy. Kyle McCord on the rated rookie throwback. Good looking card. What is this? Best of Instant Replay. Or Panini Instant. Best of. Malik Neighbors. I like those live shots there. Those are always nice. Will McDonald and DeAndre Swift. All right, let's get into pack number 2. Feels a little thick, but nothing like that one that I called out earlier. I can't tell. Jamal Charles. Trent Green. Cam Scatabo on the rated rookie. Tyler Show on the rated rookie press proof. Charles Woodson, one of the greats. Ricky Williams. Nico Collins on the Elite Series. Jake Elliott, road to the Super Bowl. 28-22 against the Rams, divisional game. Oops, sorry. We got Braylon Allen, John Lynch. Oh, come on now. Get out of there. Chigazim Okonkwo. Let's see. Okonkwo. Chigazim Okonkwo. There we go. JT. Jaheed Campbell, rated rookie. Torrey Holt. Bijan Robinson. Ooh. Shador Sanders, rated rookie retro. That goes hard. Wow. And then Travis Hunter right behind him for the Gridiron Kings. Rookie Gridiron Kings. Wow. Let's sleeve these up. They deserve a little bit of respect. Okay. Behind that, we've got Nick Sirianni. The champ is here. I don't know how many people are going to go chasing after Nick Sirianni, though. But Alec Pierce, and Pat Freiermuth, and the Kid Reporter. Let me check on the, 1 second. Let me check on this rookie Gridiron Kings and the rated rookie retro. Those are some nice cards. I like those. And I don't know where they sit in the set, so bear with me. We got the rookie Gridiron King. Okay. Doesn't seem to be anything too spectacular. We'll still put that over there. Rated rookie retro is what I have not seen that before. Rated rookie retros, and then the autos, which are out of 99. So Shador's not going to sign in here, I don't believe. Could be wrong, but that is a fire card for a Browns fan. Why are you so difficult? There we go. Brock Bowers on top. Jonathan Mingo. Kyle Williams, rated rookie. That might be a misprint. Terrence Ferguson. That might be a misprint. Silver rated rookie, but no information. Let me, for the meantime, sleeve it up. But didn't we get one of these before? Let me check. Terrence Williams on the rated rookie. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's supposed to have his name up front. So, good job, Panini. Devon Achane. Jaleel McLaughlin. Quinn Ewers on the rookies. Quinn Ewers. Jordan Addison with the Bomb Squad. Good looking card there. He could be starting too. You know, let's toss that over there because I don't know what's going on in Miami, but Tua might not be cutting it. Mike McDaniels might not be cutting it. So Quinn Ewers, maybe his time will shine. I don't know. Josie Jewell and Theo Johnson. Still looking for that downtown. What else is there? Downtowns, uptowns, the crunch times, unleashed. I mean, the previews. There's so much that we could hit out of this. Golden blacks. Let's hit something. Holy shit. Speaking of gold. Devin Hester, an all-time great. Cole Kmet. Let's go to the back. Josh Hines. Panini Instant, best of CJ Stroud. What do we got here? Tez Johnson, Elite Series rookies. Chris Godwin. Tutu Atwell. Travis Hunter, rookies auto out of 299. This pack is loaded. Sticker auto, but wow. I did not expect that with that gold being in there. Wow. Okay, let's get that in there. Holy cow. Let me top load it. Let's plop that baby right back there. Oh, come on. Come on. There we go. Wow. All right. In front of it, Trey Amos on the rated rookie. Gold. Tua Tagovailoa. Press proof gold out of 50. Man, now I think I want Tua to stay in with this. It's got a little bit of a dinged up corner. Corner's pretty soft over there. 35 out of 50. Man, two Florida boys. That corner bums me out a little bit, but we got some value. I hope at least. I always comp them after the fact, so you guys would know way before me. Let us put Tua right there next to Travis Hunter. Okay. We've got 2 packs left out of just that middle row. I was going to start with the middle row, but let's just start left to right. Kind of glad I did. I don't want to hit everything right in the beginning. Devontae Smith. Dante Culpepper. Cooper Kupp, red press proof. The rated rookie, Matthew Golden. With Jaden Reed out, hopefully he gets some targets. Ed Reed. Harold Carmichael. John Elway on the Gridiron Kings all time. Wow. These are good looking cards. I always loved the Gridiron Kings. Jack Beck or Jack Betch. I'm not sure. Not very familiar with him. Bomb Squad. Sam Laporta and Gabe Davis. Put that Cole Kmet back over there. Chad Johnson. I'm not going to lie. I don't think I knew that he played for the Patriots. Did he finish there? Like, I did not know that. Being a Bengals fan, you think I would. I mean, he's a great. George Kittle. Rated rookie, Jarquez Hunter. Came from Auburn, Alabama. Auburn University. He's pretty good. I think he's underrated, but that team's loaded with running backs. David Montgomery. Jalen Warren. Rookies, Shador Sanders. Man. Cam Ward on the rated rookie throwback. All right. Let's sleeve these up. I mean, we're getting some not too bad of cards. I'm liking it. Liking it a lot. Cam Ward can connect. He will start to ball out, I think. Saquon Barkley. Of course, best of moments. I mean, there's nothing, no ifs, ands, or buts about it. The backwards hurdle. Alex Anzalone and Baker Mayfield. Statistically speaking, beating out Patrick Mahomes and Josh Allen and Lamar Jackson and Joe Burrow, he could be one of the best quarterbacks. He's very underrated. Last row. Let's hit something amazing. We've already got our mem. We've already got an auto. Let's see if we can get a double. Let's see if we can get a downtown. Something. Mike Williams. Josh Downs. Josh Allen. I will say, though, for a numbered card, it's pretty decent. I'm glad we got a gold numbered. We've had some other numbers, 2 other number cards? But the Travis, or 3 if you count the Travis Hunter. But the Travis Hunter auto, that's a good auto to get. I like that. I'm glad. Josh Allen. Shamar Stewart, the Cincinnati Bengals. Montez Sweat. Joe Mixon. Action All Pros. Andrew Van Ginkel. Legend Series, Paul Warfield. Wow. I like the look of that one. The little brownie on the bottom. And then we got Michael Wilson and Rich Gannon. Let's do that. Get rid of that kid reporter. Just a few packs left. Thank you guys for sticking around. Thank you guys for bearing with me. Jerome Ford. Derek Carr. Jalen Lane. Will Campbell press proof. Taysom Hill. Mike Parsons in the Cowboys jersey. Nick Bottino on the Dominators. Road to the Super Bowl, Jaden Daniels. Troy Franklin, who's starting to get more and more love from Bo Nix now. They grew up together. They have great chemistry. Glad to see it. Fairbarn. Still no downtown. Still no downtown. J-Mo Williams. Oh, no. Jalen Ramsey. Travis Kelce on the press proof. Woody Marks, rated rookie. James Conner. Another Travis Kelce. The rookies, Abdul Carter. And we've got a Dallas Goedert. Champ is here. Breece Hall. Christian Watson. Not a lot in here. Josh Allen. Tyler Boyd. Mikael Williams. Isaiah Likely. DeMarvion Overshown. JT Jonathan Taylor with the Elite Series. Mikael Williams again with the rated rookie throwback. Brock Purdy on the bomb squad. Edgar and James and John Jefferson. 2 packs left. Please comment down below how I can improve, what suggestions you guys have, what you guys want to see. Please like, please subscribe. Tell your friends, tell your family. If you enjoy, let's get to finishing these 2. We now have another gold back here. A gold press proof. The team is blue. Let's see, we got Eric Dickerson. Adonai Mitchell. Let's go to the back. See if this pack treats us well. Nick Bonito, my bad. Ricky Pearsall. Road to the Super Bowl. Is that Travis Kelce? Yep, Travis Kelce, 23-14. We've got Travis Kelce again with the Dominators. They're getting Travis Kelce heavy. We've got Tyler Lockett. We've got Michael Mayer. Back here, we've got Eric Armstead, 49/91. What is this? The 91, 91, 91? Huh. Rip to that card. Tyleek Williams, DT. Let's see. Bottom of the card's still good. $49 out of 91. Looks good. Sleeve that one up. Now, I don't know, is that considered a gold press proof, or is that considered a 91, 91, 91, whatever that is? I have to take a look at that. Get that last pack right there. Now let's hit something to put these 3 cards to shame. What do we got? I've never heard of the 91, 91, 91. Not quite sure. And then what else did we get? We got the rookies. Yeah. Huh. All right. Last pack mojo. Last pack magic. Whatever you want to call it. Say a prayer to the prayer, or say a prayer to the card gods, as Sky B would say. Let's hit some magic. Drake May, the throwback jersey. Jacoby Myers. Travis Hunter, the rated rookie. Demario Douglas. Travis Etienne. Rated rookies retro. Will Howard. Shitty Steelers, but Ohio State Buckeye. Unfortunate, not the guy we wanted, but we will take it. Jack Betch, the Gridiron Kings. Again, not who we want. Jahan Dotson on the champ is here. Justin Jefferson and EJ Speed to close us out. There you guys go. I hope you enjoyed. I think there's better out there when it comes to the boxes. Obviously, we could have hit downtowns, we could have hit one-on-ones, whatever. But to recap, we got Will Howard with the rated rookies retro. Cam Ward on the rated rookie throwback. Shador Sanders on the rookies. Quinn Ewers on the rookies. I believe, is that? No, yeah. Okay. Rated rookies retro, Shador Sanders. Travis Hunter on the Gridiron Kings. We got Jim Hart with the Legend Series. Action All-Pro, Fred Warner. Bomb Squad, Lamar Jackson. Not really even that big of a card. Elite Series, Brian Thomas Jr. The die cut, press proof out of 99, Drake London Silver. Travis Hunter again with the rookies. All-Pro King, Creed Humphrey out of what, 425, first off the line. Mike Evans on the Gridiron Kings. Joe Burr, Bomb Squad. Jalen Noel, Elite Series rookies. And then the Terrence, what was his name? Terrence Ferguson on the misprint rated rookie. Tua Tagovailoa, 35 out of 50 on the gold press proof. Good card. Nice card. It has that soft corner. The rookies, Travis Hunter out of 299 auto. Just what we wanted. That is a good auto to have. Could have been a lower number, but it is what it is. And then Eric Armstead on the 91, 91, 91, 91, 91, 91, 91. 49 out of 91. Number 91, gold, Eric Armstead. It could be a bronze, though. Those might be bronze. That one definitely, probably. I'm not sure. But thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe. Drop down some comments on how I can improve. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next week with a new video. Peace.